Hey guys, welcome back to another guide video. Today I'll be showing y'all how to install Duo Security onto your server. First off, you'll download the Duo mobile app so you could accept the notifications onto your phone. First, you go on the website duo.com, click on free trial in the corner and fill out all the information. The company account name, just put wherever you like, doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and accept the email that sends you. Now this is where you're going to pull out your phone. You go into the Duo mobile app, click on continue, use the QR code. Then as you can see, it will scan it in real time. Account name, put that to administrator. And after you're done with all those little steps, go ahead and continue onto the website. You can send the Duo push button, and that's how it will look like when you do get a notification to access your server. Really simple. So on the website, go ahead and go to protect an application. Search up RDP, it says right there, Microsoft RDP. Click on it. Scroll all the way down. The name doesn't really matter. You can put anything you like there. I just put RDP Zesty to make it simple. Click on save. Okay, on the left hand side will be a users box. Click user and then add user. Set the username to administrator. The full name, just set it to administrator again, then put in your email. And when you scroll to the bottom, it says add phone. Go ahead and add your phone number, of course. After your phone number is done, there will be a button called activate Duo Mobile right there. Generate a Duo mobile code, and it'll send you an SMS message so it can link to the app. That's right there. I'll go to my messages and it pops up right there. Okay, redirects you to the app. Name that account name to administrator once again. Okay, save changes, and as you can see, everything will pop out as green. It knows the model of your phone and everything. That's when you know it's working correctly. Alright, go ahead and go to your server. On the guide, there will be an exe link to download the actual application for the server. Go ahead and run it. At this moment, go ahead and go back on the admin control panel of the duo.com. On the left hand side, you'll see a button called applications. Go ahead and click it. On the bottom, you'll see RDP Zesty or whatever you have named it. And at this page, you'll see integration key, API host name, and secret key. This is what you need to, all the information you need to put onto your server. As you can see, just match everything up to what it says. Go ahead and click on the last prompt, only prompt for Duo authentication. Make sure that is clicked, and you can skip the other ones. Go ahead and finish the installation. Now you can just exit out your server. You don't have to restart it or shut it down. Just go ahead and exit it out. Relog back into the server, and you should get a Duo push notification onto your mobile phone. Just like this. Go ahead and just press accept or approve, and that's how you will be able to log into your server or anybody into your server. And that's it, guys. Thank you.